Right, let's take a look at some basic scene switching in LioranBoard. So I've created a deck just here, as you can see, and blank. I'm just going to create a blank button, as we can see, and I'm going to create a button to change to my Be Right Back screen. So change to, and then hashtag BRB screen. The reason why I put the hashtag in there is because it puts another line in, so we can have multiple lines on a button. We'll right click it, and we're going to go to add commands. We're going to press the plus sign, and it'll bring scene switch up straight away. If you left click in the blue box, you can choose all the scenes that you've got available inside of OBS. So I'm going to press Be Right Back, and press done again. And now when I open up my Stream Deck app, because obviously we've got the LioranBoard receiver and the Stream Deck, when I press the Be Right Back button just here, it'll change to the Be Right Back scene. So I can be on any scene at all, and it'll always go to the Be Right Back scene, as you can see just there. Let's take that one step further. Let's create another button now. So I'm going to create another blank button, and I'm going to call this one Go to Previous Scene, and then press create, right click, add a command, press the plus sign, and we've got scene switch here on the left already. And then rather than just pressing left click, we're going to use something called a variable, which I'm going to go more in depth later on down the line. But if I type a slash, a dollar sign, and type in previous underscore scene, if I could type dollar sign slash, just like that, that is going to use some information. So LioranBoard actually tracks what the current scene is and what the previous scene is. So when we press this button, it's always going to go to the previous scene. So I press done again, and now I've got two buttons pop up. So I'll go to my game scene now. So we're sat playing Final Fantasy, as you can see. I'm going to go to my Be Right Back screen, go and do whatever I need to do, press go to previous scene, and it'll go back to the game scene. Let's do that with a different scene. So just chatting, we press Be Right Back, and it'll go back to our previous scene when we press go to previous scene. So it always remembers the one behind. That's a basic look at how to create different scene switches.